Today, I will show you a one-line way to use combinatorics in Python to make your loops cleaner. We will import from itertools our combinatoric functions, permutations, combinations, and product. These three functions are the basics of combinatorics. Let's say I have a list of three elements, 1, 2, and 3, and I want to make a permutations of them. Permutation is an arrangement of things where the order matters. So it's not the same if I have 1, 2 pair and 2, 1 pair. That's not the same. So I will print permutations function, and here I need to pass some parameters. The first parameter is of course an iterable, in my case L, and the next one is the number of elements that I want to have in one pair. That pair can have not only one, but two, three, four, as many elements as you want. In my case, I want permutations on two elements from this list. This will create every possible pair combination. I mean permutation. Next one is combination. Combination is a selection of things where the order doesn't matter. So if I have 1 and 2, that's the same as if I had 2 and 1. These two pairs are the same, and you will see when I print this. Of course, it has the same parameters, an iterable, and the number of elements that I want in my pairs. And the last one is product. Product creates every possible pair of two lists. So this will create 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, etc. And also, it will have repeating elements like 1, 2, and 2, 1. It's not the same in this case as well. Let's press Shift F10. Oh, I forgot I need to convert this into a list if I want to print anything. Again, Shift F10. As you can see, these combinations created every possible permutation, and 1, 2, and 2, 1 are the same. But in combination, I only have 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Why? Because 2 and 1 is the same as 1 and 2 if I want combinations. And in product, I also have the repeating elements 1, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 2 is not the same as 2, 1. Now, let me show you how you can use product to create your double loop into a single loop. Let's first write a for loop inside a for loop. For I in range 2, for I in range 2. And I want to print the values of I and the value of j. Oops, this here should be j. And let's make it clear what is what. For loop. And here I want print for loop with product. Now for I, comma j, you will see in a moment why. Now I want a product of these range 2 and range 2. Why I can use product? Because this will create me every possible pair of these two iterables. It's the same way here. Here should be j. Here I created every possible pair of numbers from 0 until 2. You will see when I print this same line here that actually it's the same thing. Not only is the same thing, this is in one line and it's much clearer. I don't have 4 inside a 4. In programming, you should avoid double loops as much as you can. This way, I removed the double loop and converted into a single loop. Shift F10. As you can see, here I have for loop and oh, by mistake I printed I, but as you can see, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These two loops work the same, but this second one is much cleaner. You should use this when you can. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Python, I have a complete playlist on Python. Here is the link to it. Feel free to check it. And also, don't forget to subscribe.